Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create a website absolutely for free. Yes, so in the first step we're gonna be taking today is click in the link below this video description, so then we're gonna be redirected to this platform. After this, click where it says get started, and then we are ready to create our account. So as you can see, we can create an account with Google, Apple, GitHub, or continue with our email. For this time, I'm going to be doing with my email. You guys type your email here. For example, Tony Correa, and this is my email. You guys type your email there and then click where it says continue. And then you're going to be creating your account. So now you guys are going to be creating your domain name. So what is a domain name? Is the direction of the website you are going to create. For example, I am going to create a website related to an email platform. So I'm going to be typing this, Aweber reviews today, for example. And then, as you can see, the machine is giving me options. For example, Aweber reviews today.blog, Aweber reviews.today, and also Aweber reviews today.wordpress.com. and it's going to be for free. So click where it says select, and I am going to select this. In the right part you can see that my domain aweberreviewstoday.wordpress.com is free, and then click where it says continue. Yes, after this, choose your flavor of WordPress. As you can see, they give me three options: the free, the personal, and the premium. In the free, obviously it's going to be for free and the personal, you guys are going to be paying $4, and the premium $8 with these benefits. For example, in the free version, I'm going to be building beautiful themes and patterns, unlimited pages, unlimited users, and many other features. In the personal, everything in free plus free domain for 1 year, access to those of premium themes, ad-free experience, and many other features as well in the premium. Yes, so for this time I'm going to be selecting the free plan. Start with free. Click here, turning on the lights, making your cookies and everything. What are your goals? Tell us what you would like to accomplish with your website. Select all that apply, write and publish, promote myself and business, sell online, for example. Then click in continue. Story name. So store name, I'm going to put, for example, Aweber reviews, and also I'm going to put a title like Aweber best email marketing tool, for example. Yes, tagline optional. Click where it says continue. Then again, the machine is preparing a themes. Pick a design. Yes, obviously most of these designs are paid, so you have to upgrade. Yes, as you can see the designs here, but for this time I am going to create or design my own website. Click where it says design your own, and then we're going to select our patterns here. For example, as you can see right here, you can scroll down and you can see here, for example, the header. If I click here where it says header, I can see the models of headers that I am going to be choosing. For example, I love this header, the first one. Click. Yes, and the header pattern has added here to the right part. The intro, let's select the intro, scroll down, and I want, for example, the second, this one I selected. Yeah, as you can see, it's in the right part. And then the about, click in the about part. I want this model, discover a world of possibilities. Here, click, and yes, it has been added. Services, click where it says services, and I want, for example, this service. Click here. As you can see in the right part, you can see the preview. Store testimonials, for example. Click here, and I want this second. Click, yes. And then I want contact. Click contact. What model I want? Let's see. I want this contact, the last one. Click. Yeah. Here you can see the preview of how your website is gonna be looking like. Yes, in a computer, in a tablet, in a cell phone. Yes, let's go back to the computer. And then click where it says selected styles. You've selected 7 patterns. Click here. What style for the buttons? For example, I want this, yes, or this one. Yeah, much better, right? This style. Select pages. Yes, this is a preview of how my website is gonna be looking like. Yes, so I have the home page, the about. I am going to tick where it says services. Yes, here I have 3 blogs. Store, I don't want blog, gallery, contact. Yes, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 parts of my website. Enough, right? For example, but you can ever add gallery. For example, click where it says gallery. Yes, blog, store. Yes, for example, store, and you can see that your website is going to be also having a store. Yes. And okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So another one, 6 parts. Yes, my blog, for example. So my website is gonna be constructed of 6 parts. Yes, and then save and continue. Yes, this is a preview. Obviously they want to sell me, but in this time I'm gonna be clicking where it says decide later. So it's gonna be free. Then start adding content. And my magic is happening, sprinkling, securing your data. Yes, the machine is preparing my precious website absolutely for free. Remember that I'm gonna be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to build your website absolutely for free. Yes, so 3, 2, 1, go. Take a tour, skip. I'm going to skip this, and also I'm going to close this part. Yeah, it's like this. After this, as you can see, Aweber reviews, Aweber best email marketing tool. For example, so my website is gonna be about Aweber. So click here inside the text, and then I erase this, and I'm going to be putting the title, the heading, Aweber reviews, for example. Aweber email marketing. Yes, or well, just I want it Aweber. So then I am going to click here inside this text, and I am going to copy and paste the text I have prepared here, and I'm going to, well, obviously erase this part, and then I am going to paste the text that I want. Yes, Control C, Control V. Yeah. Aweber is a leading email marketing service provider that helps businesses of all sizes create and send professional looking email newsletters, for example. Yes, as you can see right here, for example, how about if I want to bold this email marketing service? I select it and click where it says B. Yes, and I have bolded this. Yes, now how about if I wanted that people, if they see my website, I want to redirect them to the official website of Aweber. I am going to put a link here, select where it says get started, then click here in this clip, and a small window is going to be shown here, and I am going to copy and paste the link, the desired link. Yes, I select it, click in this clip, and then paste the desired link, click in the arrow. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, so as you can see, I am here with Aweber, but this is not the image that is related to the content I am creating. So click on the image, then click where it says replace, then I am going to upload a new image. For example, I just selected a random image. Yes, and this is the image related to the content I am creating. Yes, Aweber. For example, create anything. Yes, I am going to select this, erase, and I am going to put like a automated email marketing, for example. This is a title. Yes, So again, I am going to put content, obviously a text. I am going to copy and paste the text that I have prepared for the content of my website. Yes, for example, I am going to copy this text and then paste it here. Yes, for example, again, I select it and I erase. Then I copy and paste the text. Yes, it's here. Yeah. Yes, for example, well, it's very long. I can also copy and paste a part here. For example, let's imagine I want to divide this text. I select it, Control X, and paste it here. Erase this part and paste it here. Yes, yeah, it's like this. Automated email marketing. In the crowd field of email marketing solutions, Aweber has distinguished itself as a reliable and feature-rich platform that caters to business of all sizes. Yes, Aweber has been at the forefront of email marketing innovation, helping entrepreneurs, small businesses, and large enterprises. Yes, so as you can see, my website looks like this, Aweber. Yeah. Also, let's imagine you want to add a link here. For example, where it says Aweber, you select it, then copy the link, the desired link, copy the desired link, select it, and then click in the clip, and then paste the link, then click in the arrow. Yeah, there we are. There we go. Yeah. Yes. So now, Aweber, I have added a text, the call to action button, an image, create anything, automated email marketing, some text, create anything. Let's imagine you have created also here. For example, you can put here, for example, Aweber for small companies. Yes, companies, for example. Yes. For example, here, integrated tools. Yes, so you can create whatever you want. Obviously, you have edited your website with before, right? Now we are editing again. Reviews, you can put reviews here. For example, reviews, you can change here this name, Gila H. For example, I can put Sam Smith, for example. Yes, Sam Smith. You can ever change the image here. For example, click here, then you are going to replace, click where it says upload, and then click here, for example, and select the image, and you have changed the image here. Yes, you can ever change this text. For example, reviews, Sam Smith. Yes, WordPress. You can select this and put, for example, I love Aweber because it's a user-friendly email marketing tool, for example. Yes, yeah, you can put whatever you want. Howdy, yes, you can change it here. Contact us, for example, on the contact us part, you can put your email, your phone, your email, for example. Yeah, your email, for example, Tony Correa web hosting, for example, at gmail.com. yes, for example. Yes, you can ever change your street address, where you live. So when users enter your website, they are going to type their names, their email message, and submit to your website, and obviously you're going to be getting your message into your account, I mean your email account. Yes, so after this, let's imagine, guys, you have finished, and then click where it says save. Yes, you are saving your website. Yes, template updated. Yeah, so now how do we publish this website? Let's go here where it says WordPress. So imagine you guys, you have finished editing your beautiful website. Yes, so click where it says open navigation, Yes, we are navigating, and then click again, so it's redirecting us to our platform. So as you can see, this is the platform of WordPress. As we scroll down, so we have created a website, but now we need to launch our website. Click where it says launch website. Remember also that you need to verify it. Congrats, your site is alive. Yes, aweberreviews.wordpress.com is alive, is live, sorry. Yeah, view website, click here. Yes, and as you can see, here is our beautiful website. Yes. Not so beautiful, but you can ever do it much better than me. Yes. Okay, so you can ever go back here, for example, close this, and here you can see your posts. Click here. Yeah, and you can, for example, this is a post, you can add a new post. For example, click where it says add new post. What is going to be what you're going to be creating is adding another post. Yes, for example, you can, because this is a website, obviously you can create, for example, let's imagine you want to create content about what is a website, for example. Yes, this is the title. You guys are going to type here all the content and so on. Yes, let's go back. Yes, you can edit here also. Click here. You can see that here is our website. Yes. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, goodbye, see you next time.